Replacement of decorative trim. Turn off the power and the corner valve. We assist the two sides to gently lift up. There are two wires at the back. This one we pinch and pull it out. The other one, unscrew the nut. There are two screws here. Let's remove them. After removing them, the cover can be lifted up. Loosen this screw again. After loosening this, the cover can be opened. Let's pull out the wires one by one. Take a picture before we unplug it, so we can plug it back in later. Let's gently remove the decorative cover. Then take out the 4 screws. After taking them out, pull them outwards. Take a new one. Then fix the screws back. Decorative cover can be put back.